Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have stable internet connection, but you cannot use your browser or Google Play Store or any network related apps in Honor X8. And let's start with Google Play Store and check the issue. So right here, if we try to download something, it's stuck in a pending and the download will never begin. We can cancel it for now and move on to the browser. Here, if we refresh already opened website or try to reach any new one like YouTube, there's this problem. And to fix both of them, go to your settings. Here, scroll all the way down and enter the system settings, which should be system and updates right here. Go for date and time and set time automatically. Now both of the issues should be gone and we can install the game now. And same is with Google Chrome. It works fine now. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.